Mirai-chan, why are you laying down there like a princess? What are you up to?
I just came from the dollar store, Ne-chan. I got these cute dollies. They're Japanese like me.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it says they're from Harajuku. That's in Tokyo.
Let's see. It says here they're from Mattel, which is an American company, and it also says here they were made in China.
Whatever, Ne-chan. Just get your squishy human hands and open this for me, please.
You know, saying please at the end of your sentence doesn't make it okay to say something mean.
Hi. You sound like a grandma.
I am your grandma. Call me grandma like crazy.
Okay, Grandma. Please, can you open these toys for me? Please, pretty please.
Yes, master. This one is named G. She is inspiring and determined. She comes with a blue ring, but it looks human size. Too big for you, Mirai?
That's okay. I'll wear it as a bracelet.
Okay. She comes with unique charms to decorate her outfit or the ring.
Nice.
Next, we have music. She's gutsy and genuine.
Honto?
She comes with a purple ring and 4 charms.
Nico ni. Nico ni.
Next is Angel. She is a bubbly fashionista. She comes with a yellow ring and 4 charms.
I like that they have unique charms.
I need tweezers for this one.
Why do you humans have big hands?
So we can make you?
What do you mean by make?
I guess you'll never know.
No, tell me. I wanna know.
I will explain it when you're older.
Fine.
Okay, next is Love. She is smart and inventive.
If she's smart, how come she was stuck in that box for so long?
Anyways, she comes with a red ring and 4 unique charms. Last, we have Baby. She is sweet and adorable. And she comes with a pink ring and also 4 unique charms. Look, Mirai-chan. Their skirt and shoes come off so they can mix and match with each other.
Nice.
And they stand up really well too.
Just like me and Miku. But why are their names so weird?
It's their stage names. They're a girl group called the HJ5.
Cool. I'll look up their show later after I finish watching New York Doll Fashion Week.
Okay, don't stay up too late. Good night.
Oyasumi, Ne-chan.